So one is the grant. Now there's a whole bunch of other local grants out there. There's some scams out there too, so be aware. But City of Chicago has a grant out there for if your property is in Chicago. The various counties have different grants out there, and then of course there's multiple religious facilities that have grants as well. But the biggest one is the one that rolls out tomorrow. $5,000 hit. It'd be huge. I know we've been prepping our residents that have issues to be applying, and we're also prepping our tenants that don't have issues, or at least we don't know if they have issues. So
if the tenant can't pay the rent and the landlord can't pay the mortgage, what's going on? Is everybody taking a break and helping each other and giving some extra time?
Well, the landlords, there's nothing in the works yet for us to get any reprieve from property taxes or mortgages yet. So hopefully something gets written in Congress in the next year to maybe give us some grants for that. So the other, besides getting grants and trying to find resources for your tenants, other ways to get around not being able to utilize the legal system is the concept of cash for keys. Now I could do a whole episode on what cash for keys really is, but the idea of giving your tenant, paying your tenant to basically leave. So maybe it might even actually help them restart themselves. So it's not necessarily even horrible as it normally be in the situation. But a tenant that might be struggling, maybe you give them a couple $1,000s to leave. They move out within a set amount of time. Now usually that's sooner than later, and then you can have your unit back and rent it to somebody that can afford it at this point.
So Mark Anley, how can somebody get a hold of you for more details about the breaking news from last night about the eviction ban?
I put my cell phone on there, and I'm around today, 630-781-6744, 630-781-6744, or you could go on the live chat onto my website, 𝗥𝗲𝗹𝘁𝗶𝗴𝗵𝘁.com.